afternoon, Sugbo, and welcome to Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan. The competition is going to start a couple of hours from now. But before we begin with the contest proper, allow me to present to you a few remarkable performances from our talented Cebuanos. Without taking much of your time, performing today, here is ACT Cyber Choral with their trainer, Mr. Louis Cinco. A round of applause.
Palito raya kung puhunan sa ating ikot Senyor, ilalasin, hau-hau ilalabaw, Matubuting sisip na minilipit, input bilang namumulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Sa ikot siyo yan, mauhaw di kalabaw. Matubuting sisip na minilipit, input bilang namumulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Pag-input sa atin, sa siyo yan, mauhaw di kalabaw. Matubuting sisip na minilipit, input bilang namumulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Sa tabi ng dagat. Ating masaling kusilaran sa walang balak. Ating nakasig na ilisip na bilang nalaglag sa tabi ng dagat. Ben sa ating kusilaran au di karabaw. Ating isipin ng ibig kilot bilang namumulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Isipin sa ating kusilaran sa uhaw di karabaw. Isipin ng ibig kilot bilang namumulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Ben sa ating kusilaran au di karabaw. Pagkakas isipin kami nilipit, pintot pilak na mamulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Ben sa ating likod siloyan, au di karabaw. Pagkakas isipin kami nilipit, pintot pilak na mamulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Ben sa ating likod siloyan, au di karabaw. Pagkakas isipin kami nilipit, pintot pilak na mamulaklak sa tabi ng dagat.
That was indeed an awesome performance. Once again, ACT Cyber Choral. If you want to watch the grand finale of Sinulog live on stage, the grand ticket prices are as follows. Green and pink tickets, 1,000 pesos. Yellow tickets, 1,200 pesos. VIP tickets, 2,500 pesos. You can also check Sinulog 2015's official website. That's www.sinulog.ph. And now, to perform a dance number, here is Game Over Crew. Let's clap our hands.
Exceeding system check. Treble.
Game over.
Somebody better put your bag into your place. Make a big noise playing in the street, gonna be a big man. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over. Ladies and gentlemen.
Here we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Let's clap our hands once again for Game Over Crew. The Sinulog Dance Crew Competition Grand Finals will be on January 16. That's Friday, 6 p.m. at the Cebu City Sports Center. Buy your tickets now. And moving on to our next presenter, one of the finalists for Sinulog Idol 2015. Here is May Agustin.
Maayong uto, Abiliana! Viva Pit Senior! Everyone, we are the Sinulog Idol Season 6. I would like to invite everyone to watch us perform tonight at Fuentes Mania Circle, and tonight is our third night. So daghan kaayong salamat. Kita-kita ta ninyo niyang gabi. Alright? I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath. Scared to rock the to make a mess, so I said finally I break politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. Like I'm gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I've got the eye on the tiger, the fire, dancing through the fire. Cause I'm my ever champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Butterflies, swinging like the bee at Hermes Raps. I went from zero to my own hero. You held me down, I got up. Get ready, brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. I thought I'm gonna shake that down. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. Come on! I've got the eye of the tiger, the fire, dancing through the Daghang salamat.
Thank you very much, May Agustin. And now, to give us another song number, let's have on stage Stephen Abbey.
Senor Abiliana! Saddled him on and jumped out of bed and put him out that soon. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knock on your door with heart in my head to answer your question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Raise your hands, please. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. Say I'll never get you past until the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, 'cause the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Come on! Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what they say. Marry that girl and we'll be family. Why you gotta be so rude? I hate to do this, so leave me no choice. Can't live without her. Love me or hate me, we will be boys standing at the altar. Run away to another guy, let's say you know she's in love with me. She will go anywhere I go. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get you blessed until the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer's still no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know you meant to? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway. Marry that girl. Marry her anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that girl and we'll be family. Why you gotta be so rude? Come on! Rude. Abiliana, dance with me! Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get you blessed until the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but no still means no. Come on, sing! Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway. Marry that girl. Marry her anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say. Marry that girl and we'll be family. Why you gotta be so rude? Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why you gotta be so rude? Thank you!
Thank you for that performance. Once again, Stephen Abbey. The Sinulog Idol Grand Finals will be this January 15, Thursday, 8 p.m. at Puente Osmeña. If you want to support your idols, reserve the date, mga Suguano. And now, to entertain us with their dancing skills, please help me welcome OMG Extreme.
Hey yo ho, tell 'em.
I need everybody to report to the dance floor right now. Swizzy, that won't make me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up, put your left hand up, put your right hand up.
I'ma get her. I have her with a pillow in the casket won't fit her. The only reason I hit her, she kept talking to me. Little just easy to ask somebody who I be. I'm R to the R. Since midsummer, got on those sleeves of my arms are freezing. Don't have my shit in video. Jumping backwards, and I'm one with a big in the hypnotized video. Make this like a stereo. Turn it higher, high. Now everybody like a somebody. I'm out there, that boy named Diddy. Run the city like a dude, like a Diddy rap. Very screamy that. Tougher than Nigerian hair. I need the media. You should give me that. Time free without the really talk harder without the skinny roll for the living. Bobby, I'm harder than with Starby. Go harder than these other chicks. I'm classy, so I'm like a ball. Now cut for me, mommy, up.
Rewind. Let's get it on. Whole lot of volume and a little bit of bass is all it takes to make the place hit loud. Whole lot of style and a little bit of cake is all it takes to make us skate flip side, side, house and a little bit of bass is all it takes to make the okay. Everybody get up.
Is that Kiki Weeze? I'll show you how to do this, son.
Call 'em up, 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 call 'em up.
Hold up. This is the remix.
Been a sucker, made a Lord take my feet from up under. Holla at me, hey. Break 'em off, break 'em off, break 'em off. Look.
My name's Flick, 7's a rap, and I'm chillin' in the dirt, putting on for the West. Grinding, check, draw, check, focus, hungry, starving, yes. See, I gotta keep going, grinding every day like Tiger, no Tony. Digging in the game, 49 minds, homie. Gold we find in the booth, I own it. Pac-Man Maze, get it. I'ma the game turn blue, then finish. Crash Bandicoot, my state gon' get it. I'ma put my fist like Arsenio did it. No Jersey Shore, but the situation is this. I'ma steal the game like some terrorists did it. Mask on my face like a villain, I'ma kill it. Major go hard, no coke, but I'm tripping.
I'm the Duchess,
Coming straight up out the loot.
Let's go.
My time. Watching these haters will come with their lines. Watching these suckers on mimic it, then they stop falling out one at a time. You've been a search but never defined. I promise you, dirty, I'm one of a kind. All is broken, the formula's fine. I can't idea to start this way. Coming straight up out the loot.
Sinulog Dance Crew Competition Grand Finals will be on January 16. That's a Friday at 6 p.m. at the Cebu City Sports Center. The Sinulog 2015 is brought to you by City of Cebu and Sinulog Foundation Incorporated. We would like to thank the following: Coca-Cola, San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, OLX, Pepsi, Sky Cable, Globe, CCTN Channel 47, 24/7, SM City Cebu, Virginia, Department of Tourism, Cebu Park Lane International Hotel, Zesto, PLDT, Tambuli Seaside Living, Cognizant, Koji-san, Manulife, Nature Spring, Taft Properties, Jackie Jill Manghuan, Jollibee, Mandawi Phone, Brew Life UK, Teleperformance, Rose Pharmacy, and Mandin Bay. For our next presenter, here is KC Dila. A round of applause. Senyor mga higala! Woo!
I
Thank you very much, Casey Dilao. And now, also one of the finalists of Sinulog Idol 2015. Here is Anthony Reyes. A round of applause.
Maayong hapon na Bilyana! If you know the song, you can sing along with me.
The Sinulog Idol Grand Finals will be this January 15, Thursday, 8 p.m. at Puente Osmeña. If you want to support your idols, reserve the date, mga Subuano.
There's a voice inside my head saying you never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I'm gonna keep trying. Keep my head held up high. There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you gotta have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about waiting on the other side. No, 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 no. It's the climb. The struggles I'm facing, the struggles I'm making, sometimes they knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but this is a moment that sometimes they knock me down, but just keep on going. But I'm gonna keep trying. Keep my head held up high.
Always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move.
Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you gotta have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. Oh yeah, it's a climb. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make a move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes we gotta have a love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep on moving, keep climbing. Keep the faith, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. All about the climb. Give me your faith. All about the climb. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Anthony Reyes. To give us a dance number, please help me welcome King's Gambit.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
What your ears are about to witness, one of the greatest remixes of all time.
And it goes a little something like this. Let's get it on, baby. Okay, remix. Hey, Macarena. Blaze to the dance floor. Blaze to the dance. Break it down. Hey, Macarena.
Why do birds suddenly appear? If you change
Okay, here we go.
Now, here comes the music.
Choco, choco. Choco, choco.
Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey,
Choco, choco.
hey, Mickey. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey,
Choco, choco.
hey, Mickey. Mamá, 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 yo quiero. Mamá, yo quiero. Mamá, yo quiero, mamá. Ay, da chupeta, pro bebê não chorar.
Let's do Tony. Tony, Tony, Papa,
3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me home. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, 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 rock it out. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Oh my goodness!
Inggit ka, no? Inggit ka, no?
Una sa lahat, hindi ako ang gitera. Kasi, maganda ako. Mahirap man kami, maganda ako. Wala man kaming pera, maganda ako. Eh, ikaw, maganda ka ba?
Number 15, Janina San Miguel. Number 15, Janina San Miguel.
Well, my family's role for me is so important because they was the one who's very oh, I'm so sorry. My family. Oh my God. Eto, wait.
Jamsi Supso.
My thing on a Friday night. Everybody was
Fancy Soup Soup 25 Philippines.
The first person that I love is God, who created me. Thank you.
Ugly alive.
Mr. Lover, lover, lover.
Okay.
Now Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, very fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, call me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr.
Tonight will be different.
I fresh like that, fresh like that, fresh like.
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor.
Fresh like that, fresh like that, fresh like.
Whistle while you twerk. Come on.
Action.
Thank you very much, King's Gambit. Moving on to our next presenter, we have Type 1.
And now for our feature presentation.
gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Why you gotta be so rude? Why you gotta be so rude?
Enough. Stop. Do you want to see the show? Yeah, okay, yay. Do you want to see us dance? Of course they want to see us dance. Yeah. Are you ready for cue? Let's go!
I say get up! I wanna hear everybody get up! Hold up.
Nang may love ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero hindi nagtagal, lumabas din ang tunay na kulay.
I'm all about that bass, no trouble. You know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble.
Wow, I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. So good, I got you.
Let's rock.
Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, yeah,
Anak, huwag kang mabibigla. Huwag kang mabibigla, sabi.
Gila.
Ilabas ang angas! I'm a
no Malha-Funk. Os moleques são dengosos. Vou virar de ladinho. Levanta a perninha. Descendo, subindo. Fico tarado quando eu vejo rebolado. Dessa mina eu me acabo. LP no popozão.
Who stopped that beat? Bring it back, man.
We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never did so hard in love. All I ever did was break me.
Agree, ouch.
I'm stuttering. Make the
Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Ain't nobody stopping us here. What's the rhyme now? MOP now. What you want now? What you want now? What you want now? What you want?
Thank you very much, Type 1. And now, for our next presenter, please help me welcome on stage, Faith Vinalon. And 1, 2, 3, give me some energy, Abeliana! Once again, we're the Sinulog Idol Season 6, and please watch us tonight at Fuente Osmeña Circle. Thank you.
To put me in a love song, hey! Say you need me to write a letter off. Oh, oh, say you want me to text me with a cell phone. Say you love me to put me in a love song. Oh, if you say you want me, yeah, you say you want me. If you do the right thing, we do it together. I'm not easy, yeah. You're gonna work for it, I'm the real thing, and yeah, you're gonna please me. All the talk, the boy, you better walk it. All the fun, that's not how you do it. If you really want me, like gonna give me, baby, gonna love me more. If you really want me like you say you want me, if you really need me, baby, better come and say. You put me in a love song. Say you need me to write a letter home. Oh, say you want me to text me on the cell phone. Say you love me, you put me in a love song. 1, 2, 3, gonna work it, baby, work it out. If you want me, baby, work it out. If baby, work it out. Gonna work it out, gonna work it out. If you love me, baby, work it out. If you need me, baby, work it out. Gonna work it, baby, work it out. Gonna work it out, gonna work it out. If you want me love all of my time, part of my past, a part of my mind, all of the things that you wanna do, but make sure your love for me is true to you. Oh, if you show me, baby, so many possibilities. Oh, it can. Gonna work it out, gonna work it out. If you love me, baby, work it out. If you need me, baby, work it out. Gonna work it, baby, work it out. Gonna work it out, gonna work it out. Say, Viva, Benseñor! Thank you!
Thank you very much, Faith Vinalon. And to give us another song number, here is Charlie Sumalinos.
Big Senyora Villana, may hapon ka natong tanan. Hey, hey. This is Love on Top. You can sing with me. Hey, bring the penny. Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from you. Can't you see God below, I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Everybody asks me why I'm smiling, not for me to hear. But I know, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. After fighting through my tears, finally put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stops. Finally, you put my love on top. Oh, oh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Oh, oh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. Put my love on top, baby, baby. I can feel the wind moving past my face. I see the sunlight away. Girl, your lips taste like a night of champagne. So it's you again and again and again and again. Everybody asks why I'm smiling, not for me to hear. But I know, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. After fighting through my tears, finally put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Oh, top, my love on top. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make all of this stops. Finally, you put my love on top, baby. You're the one that I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make out of this house. Finally, you put my love on top, baby. This is the one that I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make out of this house. Finally, you put my life on top, baby. This is the one that I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Oh, baby, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one I always call when I need to make out of this house. Finally, you put my life on top. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Charlie Sumalino. And now, performing today, here is the first runner-up during the choral competition, Los Cantantes, with her trainer, Mr. Barrett Oliver Richards. A round of applause.
Viva Santo Niño! Ikaw ang buhay ang hari, ikaw ang batubalani sa gugma. Santo Niño, dugang among pagampo, ikaw ang among gimahal. Santo Niño, ikan sa Diyos, kita isang kalang sa Diyos, kita magpapagpapag sa Diyos, kanalaran para magkanyang kayo kasakitan, nagantos, matapusan. Nananarang Santo Niño, ikaw ang buhay na hari, ikaw ang batubalani sa gugma. Santo Niño, ikaw ang among pagampo, ikaw ang among gimahal. Santo Niño, kay kita pinili sa mata sa Diyos, kay kita pinangga sa duman sa Diyos, para itatag yung pagtakas. Santo Niño, ikaw ang buhay na hari, ikaw ang batubalani sa gugma. Santo Niño, tulang among pagampo, ikaw ang among gimahal. O Santo Niño, ikaw ang bugtong magamo, labaw nga makadagawang sa tanan. O Santo Niño, ihanda mo kanimo ang kinabuhi sa gugma. O Santo Niño, mag-iwasa kita, yang kaniya dalo ng gugma. Pagkaman kita, yang kaniya, o Diyos pinanggata. Santo Niño, Viva Santo Niño, ikaw ang buhay na hari, ikaw ang batubalani sa gugma. O Santo Niño, tulang among pagampo, ikaw ang among gimahal. Santo Niño, Santo Niño.
Gloria in excelsis Deo,
Et in terra pax omnibus voluntatis,
laudamus te,
benedicimus te,
adoramus te,
glorificamus te,
gratias agimus,
Kyrie propter,
magnam gloriam,
gloriam tuam,
Gloria in excelsis Deo,
et in terra pax omnibus voluntatis,
Domine Deus,
Domine Deus,
Domine Deus,
Domine Deus,
Domine Deus excellensis, Deus Pater omnipotens.
Domine Virgine Jesu Christe. Viva Señor! Sinuluni siya dito puso, Pit Señor, karaman sa ulo. Sinuluni siya dito puso,
Solis peccata mundi,
miserere nobis,
solis peccata mundi,
suscipere peccationem nostra,
qui sedex ad exeram
miserere nobis,
qui sedex ad exeram Patris, boniam tu solus sanctus Dominus,
Dominus tu solus sanctissimus, Iesu Christi Dominus,
Sanctus Spiritu in gloria Dei Patris,
Sanctus Spiritu in gloria Dei Patris,
Gloria,
Sanctus Spiritu in gloria Dei Patris,
Gloria, Gloria, Amen, Amen,
Amen, Amen, Viva il Signore!
Thank you very much. The choral competition first runner-up, Los Cantantes, with their trainer, Mr. Barrett Oliver Richards. Good afternoon, Subo, and welcome to Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan! To formally begin, may I request everyone to please rise for the invocation to be led by Junel Bukog of Inayawan Elementary School and to be followed by the singing of the national anthem by ACT Cyber Choral.
Pasalamat kami Umilagroso nga santo ninyo sa kinabuhi ug mga grasya sa gugma kasalang kanamo kalipay kasakit ihalad ko santos gamhanan nga Dios pagadaygon ang ngalan mo santo ninyo tuburan sa kaayo daghang salamat o santo ninyo way sukod ang gugma mo ikaw ang hari akong Diyos ang kinabuhi ko santo ninyo salamat Jesus sa kalisdanan ikaw dalang panang santo ninyo kami mong kaluyan o higala sa kabataan panalangini kami mong katawhan santo ninyo maghari ka sa kasing-kasing ug kalag dinhi kanamo simbahon ka himayaon ka pasalamatan ang Senyor santo ninyo daghang salamat
Bayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, hanap ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisig. Sa dagat at tundok sa simoy, sa langit mong bagaw, ay nilagkang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisap ng mata at mo'y tagumpay na nagdilinggin. Ang bituin at araw niya kay lupang may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na walang pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo, ang biligaya na pag may mag-api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo.
Thank you very much, Junel Bukog and ACT Cyber Choral. And now, I will give the floor to the Masters of Ceremony, Mr. Eldin Camposo.
Good afternoon, Cebu City Sports Center! How is everybody doing today? Okay. Now, before we start, I would just like to remind everyone to refrain from blowing your horns while the performance is going on. But you can do it right after the performance. Are we okay with that? Are we okay? There you go. So, now, Sinulog is touted to be one of the biggest and grandest festivals in the country. But behind the colorful props and costumes lies the undying faith of the Cebuanos and devotees to the Holy Child, which spans for almost half a century. And today, we gather to celebrate the same devotion as we witness every contingent showcasing their faith through lively and out-of-this-world performance. And to grace this event, allow me to introduce to you the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Danilo G. Godilusa. A big hand.
Among pagtahod sa buotan og kugihan nga mayor sa Dakbayan sa Sugbo, Mayor Michael L. Rama, inubanan sa mga city officials nga atong makita diri sa stage karon, ningkuyog nato si Honorable Dave Tumulak sa South District. Atong pinangga nga Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Riamar Angtud, inubanan sa mga district supervisors o education supervisors, principals o mga magtutudlo. Ato usab nga higala kanunay sa Department of Education, Mr. Ricky Baristeros of the Sinulog Foundation Incorporated. Ug usab atong mga members of the Board of Judges, mga ginikanan, mga tinunan, mga kahigalan, pit senyor kanatong tanan. Ang Department of Education Schools Division of Cebu City malipayong muhalad kang Senyor Santo Niño niining sinulog sa kabataan agi og pasalamat sa pinulot-pilo nga mga grasya nga atong nadawat, ilabi na gayud sa iyang pagtapion kanato sa iyang panalangin o proteksyon, sa ilabi na sa atong mga tinunan batok sa mga katalagman nga atong nahiagian ni atong miaging tuig. O usab among mga pasalamat among itunol ngadto sa mga kugihan nga mga principals uban sa ilang district supervisors, mga magtutudlo, mga choreographers, mga ginikanan ug mga tinunan nga may kugi gayud aron mahimo atong malampuson nga ipakita kining atong tinuig nga halad pasalamat ngadto kang Senyor Santo Niño ug usab tinabangan ug pinanguluhan sa atong mga maabtik nga officials ni Mr. Fabiolito Alberca, Mrs. Sinaida Gocotano ug ni Mr. Rizal Ferolino. Ug usab among pasalamat ngadto sa Sinulog Foundation Incorporated sa pagtabang sa atong mga sinulog contingents karong hapuna. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Dakbayan 2015. O kanatong tanan, Viva Pit Senyor!
Thank you so much, Dr. Danilo Godeliusa. And today, we have invited the most trusted names in the field of culture and art. And to do the honor of introducing our distinguished Board of Judges, please help me welcome the Division Coordinator for Cultural and Arts, Mr. Renizar T. Ferolino.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor to introduce to you the following individuals who are tasked to choose who are the best among the best performers of today's competition. For the street dancing category, our first judge is the athletic coordinator and chairman of the Physical Education Department of Cebu Doctors University. She has been a judge to the various festivals in the country. Friends, please help me welcome Miss Catherine Vestil. Our second judge is the co-founder of Alcoy's Siloy Festival 2005 and Hagua Festival of Bien Onidio Bohol 2008. He is the senior production manager of TAG events that organizes local and foreign artists like Bruno Mars in Cebu, Destiny Live at the Araneta Coliseum, and Maroon 5 and many others. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 2, Mr. Roman Charlie Enolva. Our third judge, she is the former operations assistant of Cebu City Tourism Commission, represented our country to the PIF Dance World Cup held in Hong Kong. Bagged the title Mardi Gras Queen of the Sinulog Pahugyao sa Sayaw, chairman of the yearly Sinulog Dance Crew and Festival Queen Search, member of the Sinulog's creative crew and yearly production staff of local, national, and international events, has traveled the different parts of the world like Singapore, Korea, China, Vietnam, Hong Kong, Kingdom of Cambodia, USA, to name a few, as Ambassador of Goodwill for Culture and the Arts. She is the director, event organizer, and choreographer by profession, but a true dancer at heart. The chairman of the Board of Judges for the street dancing category, Miss Maria Lester Marte Ibanez. For the ritual showdown, our first judge is a BC graduate at the University of Santo Tomas, major in physical education. She finished her master's courses in physical education at the National College of Physical Education. Founder of Cagayan Ballet Studio. Founder and director, Xavier University Dance Troupe. She took up ballet in Cebu, Manila, San Francisco Ballet School in USA. She is also the former Regional Director, Department of Tourism, Regions 10 and 13. At present, the tourism consultant City Government of Cagayan de Oro. Friends, put your hands together for our first judge, Miss Dorothy Jean B. Pabayo. Our second judge, she is the Executive Council member of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, National Committee in Dance, the board member of the Association of Cultural Offices of the Philippine Educational Institute, the Director, Center for Culture and the Arts, St. Loy University, Baguio City. Friends, Judge number 2, Miss Rebecca Lim Nulud. Our third judge, he is the former Executive Committee member, National Committee on Dramatic Arts, National Commission for Culture and the Arts from 2001 to 2007. The Artistic Director, Cagayan Dance Troupe, Colegio de San Agustin, Bacolod. The Chairman, Best of Festival Dance Competition, Panaad San Negros Festival, Province of Negros Occidental. Friends, Mr. Rodolfo M. Reveche. Our fourth judge, she is the board of the director of the Philippine Folk Dance Society, the executive director of MYR, Cultural and Recreational and Educational Research Center, the former chief of Physical Education for School Sports and Special Events Office, Department of Education, National Capital Region. Ladies and gentlemen, Madam Noemi Marabot Biliosilio. Our fifth judge, she is a former soloist of Valle Philippines, resident dance company of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, the Visayas representative and executive council member in the dance of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, the choreographer and artistic director of the ADS School of Performing Arts and Kawilihan Dance Troupe of the University of San Agustin, Iloilo. Friends, the chairman of the Board of Judges for Ritual Showdown, Miss Annie de Vinegracia Sartorio. To all the competing contingents, good luck.
Thank you so much, Mr. Perolino, and also for our board of judges. Welcome to Cebu City. And Cebu City Sports Center, brace yourself for our first contingent. Now, they are from North District 5, headed by their supervisor, Mrs. Rosalinda Tan, with their principal, Mrs. Sheila B. Pancho, together with their cultural coordinator, Mrs. Nelita Flores, best coordinator, Mrs. Christy Riquelme, together with the choreographer, Janjan Belsis and Mike Uy, with their dance master, Wincy Garcia, Giovanni Avalos. And also they would like to thank the North District 5 administrators, starting with Mr. Michael Cabase for Tejero Elementary School, Mr. Calago, Assistant Principal of Tejero Elementary School, and also Mrs. Maracon Gumba of Regino Elementary School, and Mrs. Juanisa from Regino Knight High School. And also with Mrs. Marilu de la Cuesta, Tejero Knight High School, and also Miss Novabos, Vicente Sinocot Elementary School. And of course, the barangay officials. Barangay Captain Honorable Eduardo Lauron, Honorable Helen Francisco, Honorable Ray Francisco Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, our first contingent, Careta Elementary School, Pundok, Caretanhan. Alvin Pondo Karitanhon. Thank you so much sa atong mga estudyante sa Careta Elementary School. Okay. And we would just like to invite everyone that if you have the time, around 6 p.m. we have a grand finals of Sinulog Choral Competition followed by a cultural show and a Sinulog Idol at Fuente Osmeña Circle. So you may bring your family and your loved ones out there. Okay. And now, moving on to our next contingent. Headed by their Principal, Mrs. Lyra L. Iliaga, Assistant Contingent Heads, Mr. Rium P. Cispeña, and Mrs. Neva R. Dingong. With the choreographer, Mr. George Villamor. And with the Public Schools District Supervisor in charge, North District 1, Mr. Anastasio A. Pulvira Jr. And of course, their sponsors, Commonwealth Insurance Company, Casino Ethyl Alcohol, International Pharmaceutical Incorporated or the IPI, Wellbank, Smart Communications, Barangay Sambag 2, Barangay Ermita, Barangay Santa Cruz, Barangay Kalubihan, Dunkin' Donut, and Carlitos Chicken. There you go. With their North District 1 administrators, Mrs. Jessa B. Branzuela, Mrs. Anatolia U. Patosa, Dr. Andrew A. Solon, Mrs. Arnulfa A. De Milietes, and Mrs. Eugeniana G. Rabong. So ladies and gentlemen, so while they are still preparing, once again, I'm inviting you tonight for the grand finals of Sinulog Choral Competition, cultural show right after that, and Sinulog Idol at Fuente Osmeña. And now, our contingent number 2 is once again, they are from North District 1. To watch the grand finale of Sinulog live on stage, the grand ticket prices are as follows. The green and pink tickets is 1,000, yellow tickets would be 1,200, VIP tickets would be 2,500. And of course, right now on stage, our contingent number 2, Cebu City Central School. you have it, Cebu City Central School. And by the way, we would like to acknowledge our guest here. And we start with the City Councilor South District, Honorable Dave Tumula. A round of applause. And we also have the President of Barangay Councilors League of the Philippines, Cebu City Chapter, Honorable Raymond Alvin N. Garcia. Welcome, sir. And of course, the Secretary General, Barangay Councilors League of the Philippines, Cebu City Chapter, Honorable Grace Caroline Baquero. Thank you, ma'am, for coming. And moving on to our contingent number 3. And they are from South District 7 with their principal, Miss Carmelita C. Oh, it's Mrs. Maria Shurel P. Tuliao, and choreographer, Mr. Maximar Costudio. And we would also like to extend our deepest gratitude to our sponsors, the following: Coca-Cola, San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, OLX, Pepsi, Sky Cable, Globe, CCTN Channel 47, 24/7, SMCT Cebu, Virginia, Department of Tourism, Cebu Parklane International Hotel, ZSO, PLDT, Tambuli, Cognizant, Kojisan, Manulife, Nature Spring, and Top Properties. And of course, Mang Juan, Jollibee, Mandawi Foam, True Life UK, Tele Performance, Rose Pharmacy, Mandan Bay, Manila Bulletin, Jaka Distribution Incorporated, Visayan Electric Company, IPI, Philippine Daily Inquirer, and more. There you go. And Cebu City Sports Center, contingent number 3, Bulacau Community School.
Mao kini ang kordero sa Dios nga nagawagtan sa sala sa kalibutan. Pulahan kitong gidapit alang sa bangkiti sa Ginoo.
Ginoo, dili ako angay na mabalawat kanimo. Apan gipamulong mo lamang og mga ako. Santo Niño, Santo Niño, Señor Santo Niño. Orangan salamat sa kaayo. Santo Niño, Santo Niño.
there you have it. Bulacau Community School from South District 7. And moving on to our next contingent. Now they are from North District 6, headed by their principal, Miss Lana M. Escario, together with the choreographer, Reynalda Gituaban. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we also like to say thank you to our sponsors for making this event very, very possible. And we're talking about Gildan T-shirts, Jayco Donuts, Alter Solutions Philippines Incorporated, Gardenia Philippines Incorporated, The Freeman, Novelino Wines, Cebu Daily News. We also have Alcordo International, Kulas T-shirts, and Right Med Philippines Incorporated. Contingent number 4 is from Zapatera Elementary School. And I would just like to tell you that the principal is Miss Lana M. Escario, together with their choreographer, Reynalda Gituaban. And by the way, everyone, before we announce the winner for the first time, we will have a grand finale just for you. So you better watch out for that. And of course, while they are still preparing, I would like to invite everyone. Are you familiar with the Sinulog Queen? Raise your hands. Kinsa may nakaila sa Sinulog Queen karon? Don't you know that the reigning Miss Earth 2014 was the Sinulog Queen 2013? And she will be here. That will be next Sunday. She'll be part of the grand finale. So you better also watch for that then. Okay, so put your hands together for Zapatera Elementary School! And there you have it, Zapatera Elementary School, North District 6. And before anything else, I would just like to tell everyone that we will have a cultural show that would be on Thursday, 6:30 in the evening. And also we have a concert at the park at 9 p.m. And our next contingent is from South District 1. Headed by their principal, Miss Elsie Colo, and of course their choreographer, Rolly Layola. And of course, their cultural coordinator, Lindy Caballes. And actually, we only have 3 more to go because we will have around 6 from the elementary, and we have around 7 for 8 schools for our high school division. And if you want to know more about Sinulog, if you have entered it on your phone, you can check www.sinulog.ph. And on stage, put your hands together for Don Vicente Rama Memorial Elementary School! there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Don Vicente Rama Memorial Elementary School from Tal District 1. Moving on to our next contingent. Contingent number 6 is from North District 4. Now our contingent number 6 is headed by their public schools district supervisor, Mrs. Faith R. Misa, together with the principal, Mr. Donald C. Crisologo, and their barangay captain, Honorable Reynaldo Ompok, and their councilor, Honorable Kokoy Gahudo. And of course, the choreographer, Mr. Maximar R. Custodio, together with his dance masters, Mark Angelo Romeo, Lex Puti Kinsuan, Mark Stephen Talisik, Rio Veloso, Clinton Araneta, and Rubin, with their instrumentalists, Bomb Squad Drive, and the buglers, the symphony, with their artists, July, Stephanie, and company, costume designer, Genesis, school cultural coordinator, Bona Joy Boniel, with their major sponsors, Abuitis Land and Davis Paint, with their minor sponsors or contributors, Pinoy Care, Crest Forwarder. And I would like to acknowledge as well the North District 4 principals, starting with Mrs. Maria Nelva Hermosa from Bagong Lipunan Elementary School, Mrs. Maria Linda Adolfo from Pulang Bato Elementary School, and of course Dr. Felina Caliedo, Adlaon Integrated School, with Mr. Emiliano Piquiro, Mabolo National High School, day and night. And we would also like to invite you for the 12th annual search for the Sinulog 2015 Festival Queen will be on January 16 at 6:30 p.m. right here in Cebu City Sports Center. So buy your tickets now. And if you want to witness the grand parade on next Sunday, you will have the tickets at 1,000 for the green and pink. Yellow tickets would be 1,200. VIP tickets would be 2,500. And if you want to know more about the upcoming activities, you can always log on to www.sinulog.ph. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mabolo Elementary School, Tribo Mapulukod!
Santo Niño. O daghang salamat sa kaayo mo. Daygon sa kanunay ug simbahong pagayon.
And there you have it, Mabolo Elementary School, Tribo, Mabulukod. Thank you so much sa atong mga estudyante gikan sa Mabolo Elementary School. And by the way, we would like to invite everyone for the DepEd Cebu City Division Sinulog Night happening at Fuente Osmeña on January 14, 2015 at 6:30 in the evening. Participated by North District Schools. Moving on to our last but not the least contingent for the elementary division. They're from South District 4. Our next contingent is headed by the principal, Dr. Floribin Navarro, together with the choreographer, Angelo Manapsal. Everyone, we would like to invite you on Saturday around 6 a.m. There will be a fluvial procession of the miraculous image of the Señor Santo Niño. At around 9 a.m., a reenactment of the baptism of Queen Juana and Ra Humabon at the Basilica del Santo Niño. At around 2 p.m., the solemn procession of the miraculous image of Señor Santo Niño will follow. And around 7 p.m. the same day, Sinulog Fireworks Competition at SM City, Cebu. Ladies and gentlemen, Labangon Elementary School! Thank you so much, Labangon Elementary School. We would just like to inform the elementary dancers and the choreographers to please proceed to your designated area for the grand finale later. And before we proceed to our secondary division, please help me welcome the man of the hour, the father of Cebu City, Honorable Mayor Michael Rama.
A big hand for our MC, Toastmaster Elden. Pakpak ni Elden. Maayong hapon kaniyo tanan. Hinay man kayo. Maayong hapon kaninyo tanan. Pakpak. Pichinyo. Viva Pichinyo. Viva Pichinyo. Viva Pichinyo! Pakpak Kasal. In behalf of the city government, with our Vice Mayor Edgar Labella, Councilor Dave Tumulak, former Councilor Joy Pesguera, LDKP President Raymond Garcia, and with DepEd Superintendent Rhea Avellanosa Alcohol Angton. Pakpak ni Ma'am Angton. Rhea Alcohol. Rhea Alcohol. I'd like to thank all of you, especially DepEd Cebu City, mga maestra, mga principal, mga choreographers, mga dancer, mga estudyante, mga judges, media, John J. Primo, kaninyong tanan, mga bisita, you are sinulog, kitang tanan, sinulog, kami ni Ricky, ni Dali Susana, ni Anak Conejero, nanrabaho para kamo malipat. If you are happy, we are happy. And when I am happy, I wish you all happy. Ladies and gentlemen, pakpakan nato ang Senior Santo Niño for a wonderful weather. O kamo, apil sa kapulisan, atong Chief of Police, Conrad Capa Zaman. Mga kaigsunan, Inday Suset, nindot kayo ang presentation sa elementary to high school. Elementary, pagkanindot, pero di mahimog, mudapig-dapig ko. Kinsay mo daw, ayaw bang hambog. Ang mapildi, ayaw kasabi ang judges. Anyway, we the Sinulog Foundation will always bring top 5 Elementary Top 5 High School. Kung punaan manamo, we will decide with Ricky, Dali, and the rest of the judges. Finally, magpasalamat ko as the mayor, as the overall chairman, as the chairman of the Sinulog Foundation. Salamat sa member sa tanang nanabaho for the whole duration. Gikan sa launching, sa gabi, kada gabi, sa tanang mga activities, padong sa prosesyon, padong sa atong sinulog, yung umabot na Domingo, kamong tanan, gikan sa kiladman, kuyukan, iniglangkat sa akong dughan. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Pichinyo! Thank you!
Daghang salamat, Honorable Mayor Michael Rama! And now, our contingent number 1 for the secondary level is from Lahug Night High School. Together with the principal, Dr. Marilu V. Palag, and of course, the choreographer, Rolly Layola. And right away, everyone would like to invite you for the DepEd Cebu City Division Sinulog Night at Fuente Osmeña on January 14, 2015 at 6:30 in the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Lahug Night High School.